Hey, I'm Steve with Prima Coffee, and today we're going to show you how to install this set of multi-purpose burrs into a Lagom P64. So right now we have a set of high uniformity burrs in the Lagom, and those are great for your traditional espresso if you're using 1:2 ratio, if you're using blends, medium, dark roast coffees. That's what you're going to use the high uniformities for. But these here are the multi-purpose burrs, and they are made by SSP. They're coated in that red speed, which is a layer of titanium, aluminum, carbon, nitride. That means these are going to last forever. They're going to have great grip on the coffee. The high uniformity burrs have those as well, but they have a different purpose. So these here are, if you want single origin and light roast espresso, you're going to want these. You're going to probably push the ratio a little farther than 1:2. You're going to get 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3 maybe, a little farther. These produce fewer fines, and it does allow you to kind of push that. It's going to be a different mouthfeel with these burrs. It's not going to be your traditional espresso. It's going to be more of that sort of modern take on espresso. But as the name implies, they're multi-purpose, so you can also use them for brewing. And that is because they do produce fewer fines, it does kind of unlock that medium area. So to install the burrs inside of the Lagom, you just need the burrs, a flathead screwdriver, and then you're going to need like a brush to clear away any of that debris on the burr inside here. So to get the top off, you will just hold onto the body of the Lagom and turn this collar counterclockwise and sort of screw off the top. And then once you have that off, you have access to both burrs. So the first one here is the stationary burr. So that's going to be here. And put that aside here, we'll come back to that. And this here is the rotating burr. So you just take your flathead screwdriver and go ahead and remove this one. This is the more difficult one to get out. So you want to hold on to the burr as you do this, get some leverage. I'm going to use this screw for the new burrs, so keep that. So now that these screws are out, the burr really just needs to be pulled straight out. And this step is actually a little difficult, but what you need to do is you need to get leverage on both sides of the interior of that burr. And you just push on those, and once you get it, you can lift it straight out. You can see that it is loose, right? So once you have that, so then you can just lift it straight out there, like that. So this here is the high uniformity burr. Again, this is for traditional espresso. So we'll put that aside. And then we can go ahead and clear away a lot of that off of the burr carrier. And then now we can take the multi-purpose burr. Make sure that you do look at the bottom. So SSP labels them. This is the top. And this one here is the bottom. So let's go ahead and get that in there. Same way you got the other one out. Okay. So then just line up the holes there. So once you have that, you can go ahead and take the screws. Go ahead and get them in their place. Okay, so there you go. So that bottom burr is in. And so now you just need to take out the top burr in the same way. This burr just comes right off. Just clear away anything there. Take your multi-purpose burr. Again, this is the one that says top. Get it into place. So once you got both burrs in, you can just go ahead and replace this one into its slot. That's in there. Take the collar of the Lagom and screw it back on. You might have to change the adjustment there to get it its final way. There you go. So now the Lagom is ready to use for brewing and for your light roast coffee. So that is how you install a set of Burrs on a Lagom P64. You can find these Burrs online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. If you liked that video, you'll be pleased to know there is so much more on our website, including comparisons, product reviews, brew guides, events coverage, and so much more. And help support our channel by subscribing, liking this video, sharing, commenting, and clicking that bell button. Happy brewing!